Hey, what's up guys? Gonna be painting my Yamaha 2000 Timberwolf today. I bought some bed liner from Lowe's, $24. Gonna do the whole ATV. Gonna go back and do the tires another day once it's cleaned. Hopefully we can do it, make it look pretty nice. I'm gonna take everything off, take the battery out, take this off the gas tank, and I'll bring it back. Alright, now that we have everything off the ATV, I have the battery out, I'm going to sand it down a little bit, and I'm going to try and take off all the stickers. Once I do that, I'm going to wax it one time with some turtle wax that I have laying around the house, super cheap, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the paint on. Paint. Whoever did this painting before me, you can see there's bubbles. I don't know if you can see, there's bubbles inside this paint underneath, so they didn't sand it down correctly before they did it and repainted. So what I'm gonna do here is just paint over with the bed liner, and it's pretty aggressive itself, so hopefully you won't be able to see underneath what they did too well or too good. And I'm going to wax it down with the turtle wax. After I get done waxing it down, I'm going to let it dry for a little bit, and then we'll start painting. Alright guys, I'm going to start putting on the bed liner. As you can see, this is the bed liner that I purchased just because it was super cheap, and the ATV is about 18 years old, so just to make it look new again.